Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're talking about Harmony 1. It's up by 2.29% when a lot of other stuff is in red. And something is in green as well. That said, we are still waiting to see what's gonna happen. Bitcoin is gonna dump more, it's not gonna dump more, but Harmony 1 is actually looking very good and very nice, and we're gonna talk about that. Enough with the chit chat. Let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with Harmony right now. So we were there was this blue, some kind of triangle, or maybe even a falling wedge or something like that, triangle that we actually broke down on over here, and now we are having a new triangle that's forming down here, and actually we are expecting to see what's going to happen with this triangle down here right now. It's the same thing that's forming on Bitcoin and a lot of other coins right now. It does look somehow bullish, but you know, it has some kind of support, but it's not quite there yet. So if Bitcoin dumps further, there is a chance that we might have one less dump, but the thing is, the technicals are actually looking very, very bullish for this. So we're gonna focus on the bullish things. It looks very nice. This looks very nice. So like everything, like if Bitcoin falls down, this is gonna bleed as well. But it is very bullish, however you look at it. So the first, we can start with this small triangle over here and zoom in a little bit on that, see what's actually happening over here. So the most important thing to note is this line of support down here. It's very important. Like if we break that, we can fall further down, and we're gonna look for some kind of supports on the downside. But right now it looks like this might be actually beat. There is also this. You can draw it something like this, but we are not quite there. We are not quite there yet. Maybe this line as well, but you want to basically kind of crawl above all of this eventually to be super bullish. And you know, but right now we are some kind of very low level. So I'm going to show you that. You can see here that right now on the daily chart, these moving averages, so right now this is 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 moving average. These moving average, we are below all of the moving averages, so we are technically in a very strong downtrend. This on the 4-hourly chart, I'm guessing also on the 1-hourly chart now, maybe not on one. Yeah, on 1-hour chart we are also sitting exactly below that. So this is definitely some kind of downtrend. Will it continue or not? It depends, because all downtrends has to end at some point, and all the uptrends has to end at some point. You get some kind of reversal. So what we are looking for right now is some kind of reversal, something positive that's going to tell us that this is going to go actually higher. On the daily chart, you can see here that we actually got very bearish. We got kicked by the 10 moving average. We went below the 50 moving average. Now we're sitting below 50 moving average. So this to me doesn't actually look good on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, this is the exact same thing that's happening on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also sitting under 50 moving average. That said, if Bitcoin start dropping down, this might drop down, but I don't think we're going to drop down and then stay down forever. I think if you drop down, it's going to be some kind of a bounce that we are going to get out of. So that would be very welcome, because this moving average is going to go down, then we get this bounce, and then we'll climb on the bounce. That said, let's look at some technicals right now. Let's clean up all of this stuff and look at just the technicals on the daily chart first and foremost, and put up the moving averages. So you can see here that this RSI index, this rubber band, is sitting down at 40 levels right now. That's very, very low, and that's super nice, because usually before the pump, like over here after the correction, you are sitting on 50 levels, which are normal. So in uptrend, you want to sit about these 50 levels, around 50 levels, give or take, right? And you want to, so it goes up and then it finds this 50, it goes up, it goes up, then goes down and find these 50 levels, and goes up, goes down, find these 50 levels, goes up, and then now it's going down and finding the 50 levels, right? Actually it was sitting right at where it should be, up here, until Bitcoin started dropping down, and that's why we are now sitting at these 40 levels and not 50 levels. But 50 levels were actually pretty good, but then Bitcoin decided, we're gonna go push a little more down. So that's why we're getting this drop here, and 40 levels are very, very nice as well. Super nice actually, because usually these things don't go that low down there, and there are not a lot of altcoins that have these low levels on the RSI, like 30 or 40. So this is looking to break out very violently and go up very fast, because it is very what do you call it? oversold, very oversold. Let's see on the weekly chart how this looks, and it looks perfect because this we had technically we had 5 weeks of okay, 4 weeks of consolidation or correction, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. Before we only had 2 weeks down here. Here was a little bit big, but this wasn't. This is start of bull run over here. So we had 4 weeks, and we are hitting now, sitting on the 10 moving average. Super important. Also, the RSI went all the way down to the 60 level, so super nice. There are not many coins that have these kind of good technicals right now, and Harmony is definitely one of them. So I'm expecting Harmony to do very well as soon as Bitcoin changes its direction. And right now Bitcoin is sitting at 0.2% up, but it's some kind of low levels. People are still kind of not sure what's gonna do. So Bitcoin has to do a reversal, and once it's gonna pull up everything. And then the things that's gonna go up the most are things like this that have really good technicals. It's sitting on a 20 moving average. It's sitting on 60 on the weekly RSI. That's very low level, and on daily we are down at 40. So if Bitcoin does actually go down, this will go down with Bitcoin. It will break the support. It will go down some kind of levels, maybe even all the way down here, but I think it's not gonna be like we're gonna bleed down and stay on these levels forever. I think it's just gonna be a week down, and then we'll continue up. I think we are looking for that final push down, just to get that rubber bear effect, or what is called slingshot effect, to pull the price up. So yeah, to me this looks very nice. When is it actually gonna happen? It all depends on Bitcoin. No, because this is ready to go. Holochain is Holochain. I just did video. Harmony is ready to go. You know, it's ready. It's got all the technicals in place. It's sitting. It's pulling it even further down. But I don't see it going very low. Especially like if bull run is over, then you know, all to his own. But right now it looks very nice. So we're gonna do Harmony update tomorrow as well, so make sure to check it out, like subscribe and stuff like that. Also check down the link in the comments. There's a Patreon link, there's a Telegram link. Very nice bunch of people in Telegram, so do join the Telegram group and you know, have fun. Thanks guys, see you around, bye bye.